Hello everyone. In previous class we saw some comparing words that are top, bottom, on, under, inside and outside. And on that inside and outside we are going to do activities. Here on page number 4 there are 4 pictures are given, and in first picture A some crayons are kept inside the box, while some two crayons are kept outside the box. So you have to write O for outside and I for inside. Same in the eggs are kept inside the case while two eggs are kept outside the case. So you have to write O for outside and I for inside. In C, some green peas are given, some grains are in the pea while 4 grains are outside the P. So you have to write O for outside and I for inside. And the last one is in the jar some marbles are kept, that is inside the jar, and 2 marbles are kept outside the jar. So you have to write O for outside and I for inside. Now next is above and below. ABOVE above and BELOW below. The birds are sitting on the branch above the rabbits. The rabbits are sitting on the grass below the birds. Here one picture is given, and in that picture some birds are sitting on the above the rabbits and some are below the birds. On the next page you have to do the activity. Write A for above and B for below. Here butterfly is above, so you have to write A for butterfly, and rabbit is below, so you have to write B for below. In the next in the next picture a kite is above, so you have to write A in front of that kite, and a girl is down, so girl is below, so you have to write B. Now next is near and far. NEAR near, FAR far. Here one girl is given, and with girl here is a cat and one dog is there. So Payal's cat is near to Payal and Payal's dog is far from Payal. Payal's cat, you can see that the cat is nearer to the Payal and the dog is far away from her. फार यानी क्या, डू यू नो दैट? फिर ये देख के आपको समझ में आया होगा. फार यानी दूर एंड नियर यानी उसके करीब, क्लोज. दैट मीन्स our nose is near to our mouth and our legs are far from our mouth. So do you understand from this example? NEAR near and FAR far. On next page number 6, you have to do activity about near and far. Here in picture A, 2 huts are given. One hut is near and another small hut is far. So you have to write N for near and F for far. Here sheep is given and a duck is given. So duck is near, so you have to sheep is near, so you have to write N for sheep, and duck is far, so you have to write F in the duck circle. Now see activities. Bat is far and ball is near, so you have to write N in front of ball and F in front of that bat. In the last stage, the lemon is far and the jug is near, so you have to write N for near and F for far. Now next is before, between and after. See the direction in which the vehicles are moving. First is red, then yellow and the grey. The red car is before the yellow car, the white van is after the yellow car, the yellow car is between the red car and white car. Here is white car is given and red car is given. In between that yellow car is there. So